Hey, what's going on YouTube? Antonio here once again. So we have another Ford Crown Victoria vehicle ready for sale now. This is a 2000 model. Obviously it is an Interceptor package with about 163,000 miles. Clean title. We do not sell anything that's salvage. Okay, so let me go and show it to you. If you're interested, please give us a call 909-457-5500 or visit our website at www.carsmart-automotive.com for full listings of all of our vehicles and full pictures of all of our vehicles as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the exterior of the vehicle. This vehicle does have the 16-inch Goodyear RS8 tires, so it's Goodyear Eagle RS8 Plus. I'm sorry, this is a Plus. These are sitting on 225 60 16-inch rims. Okay. The vehicle is on. Alright, so now let me show you the inside. Classic blue. Don't know which blue we have. The seats are not matching, but don't know which blue is the actual original. AC very cold. Spot the dome light works. 2 colors. Actually, no, single color. Spotlights do work. Let me show you the back. Let me go and show you the trunk. Go. Opposite door. Hose have been covered up. Now let me show you the engine. And there you go. So if you are interested in this vehicle, please go ahead and give us a call 909-457-5500. My name is Antonio. Please feel free to reach out. And if you enjoyed this video, you can hit a like button and consider subscribing for more Interceptor videos and more vehicles that are going to be up for sale. Thanks for watching. Thank you.